What's up? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. We got a bunch of stuff going on right now. Basically doing a top sirloin dinner coming at you in a little bit. Alright? Got some top sirloin, I think, or something sirloin. Look at these, all marinating. Got a baked potato in the oven, so wait until that's nearly done. Then we'll start doing these. Got a good deal, $5.99 a pound. It had to be a bow pack, so I got like 7 of these in this big package right here, and I'm just doing 2 tonight, and then we'll hook up more other nights. Yeah, motherfuckers! Marinated in Worcestershire, that W sauce, and salt and pepper, garlic, salt, and pink salt on 1/2 of one of these. I don't remember which one. And then garlic salt on the rest. And then pepper on both sides as well. About to stick this on. Pan's getting hot. And there we go. In the pan, doing 6 minutes aside, and then in the oven for 6 minutes. Actually, I have to do 5 minutes. Get a little rareness in there, because last time it seemed like well done, kind of, or medium well. So yeah, little bacon grease on the bottom there from these things over here, which are going on the baked potato. Yeah, doing it, guys, doing it. Just flipped it. Looking juicy. Yeah. Okay, just pull them out of the oven. They're resting, or they will be here in a minute, but I put salt and butter on top of each one. Okay, closing the foil up. What's up? Got that baked potato out. It's your first glimpse at it, because it was in the oven. I did olive oil all over this, and then salt all over it before I put it in. Cooked it for an hour at about 400 degrees. Just came out, you guys. I got some of that combo casserole in the oven warming up as well. Gonna be a nice rounded meal. Just watch. There we go. Baked potato, just put butter on. Gonna get melty. This casserole right here, this is where the steak goes. Got it? Alright, coming right at ya. Just letting some cheese melt on top of that potato and bacon. Just want you to check this out right now. A little well done, medium well, whatever, I don't know. It's gonna be good. It's beef. Come on, guys. Don't be pissed. It's friggin' beef. It's yummy. Yeah. Oh yeah, guys. Yeah. Got the A1. The 70s dish in the back. Check that out. It's still alive. Yeah. Made it this far. 40-something years. There's that A1. Yeah, motherfuckers. Okay, let's dig in. And one last look with the green onion on top and some salt and pepper. Yeah, looking delicious, guys. You're so envious, I can feel it. Yeah. OMG. So delicious. Yeah. Sorry for the shadow, you guys. You guys know what's up, though. Yeah. A1. And I still got this over here as well. Alright, guys. Thanks for coming back, checking in, and seeing what I'm doing today. Please like and subscribe. click one of these next videos on the screen. And have a great fucking night, you guys. Alright. I love you. See you next time. Peace.